the tie around your collar, which is the thin end until it's about midway on your torso. Cross the thick end in front of the thin end. Wrap the thick end around behind the thin end so the back of the tie is facing outwards. Bring the thick end back across the front of the thin end. Bring the thick end up through the neck loop. And then feed the thick end down through the knot loop. Pull the thick end all the way through the knot loop, and adjust the length by pulling the knot up towards your collar while pulling the thin end of the tie down. Adjust the collar as needed. And secure the thin end to the back of the thick end.